In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your resume as a link with online resume sharing. Let's start with the basic idea. Instead of sending your resume as a file attachment every time, you'll create a single online version that lives at a web address. You can then share that link anywhere, in job applications, emails, LinkedIn messages, or even on your social media profiles. The big advantage is that you only have to update your resume in one place, and everyone who has the link will always see the latest version. First, make sure you have your resume ready in a clean professional format, usually as a PDF or a well-structured document. Check that your layout is simple, your font is easy to read, and that you've removed any personal details you don't want widely visible, like your full home address. Remember that when you share a link, many more people may see it than you expect. So be intentional about the information you include. Next, choose where you want to host your resume. A very common option is a cloud storage service, such as a document drive. Upload your resume file there, then open it and look for the share or link settings. You'll typically see options that control who can view the document. For an online resume link, you want to set it so that anyone with the link can view, but they cannot edit or comment. This keeps your resume secure from unwanted changes while still being easy to access. Once you've set the permissions correctly, copy the shareable link. Before you start using it everywhere, test it in a private browser window or on another device. Make sure it opens quickly, displays correctly, and doesn't require people to sign in. If it asks for a login, go back to the sharing settings and adjust them until the document is publicly viewable with the link. If your link looks long and messy, you can use a URL shortener to create a cleaner version. This is especially helpful if you want to put the link on your business card, in your email signature, or on your LinkedIn profile. Just remember that whenever you update your resume, you should update the same online file, not create a new one, so the link stays consistent. Finally, start using your resume link in your job search. Add it to the contact section of your resume, include it in cover letters, and share it with recruiters. This small change can make your application process smoother, more professional, and much easier to manage over time.